Check out that storm coming in. It is coming down. Blue skies that way. I can see the rain pelting down. It's gonna get me wet as hell. Thank you, Lord, for the rain. Let that grass grow. This is what we deal with down here in the South Plains, the tide water. Saturday night we'll have us a Chicken Hominy Swamp barn dance kicking up. It'll be some kind of good. Y'all gotta get a piece of that. Tune in for that. We're gonna burn it up. There's that old lighthouse. I can imagine them old timers rowing that boat out to that to light that up every night. Listen, I'm gonna head back in, man. I just wanted to send a little bit of this out to you. Coming in. But if you look this way, guys, blue skies, man. You can't beat that. Alright, hey listen, I'm gonna head back in for the rain get me. Y'all take care. Much love out to you. Got a little streak lighting in there. I love it. Getting out of the storm.